Yes, your good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Shredder here. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Okay, so basically, I want to share a little market insight that I believe or I think, and it's my own opinion. I'm just saying. I think this is what the market might be doing, and then if most of you guys don't know, I am a volume price action trader, and what that means is that I make use of the volume indicator, the normal volume that comes with the MT4. So I make use of that. I'm sure you can see the settings already. And I make use of that for my trade. Now it tells me the strength, if there is strength in the market, and then when they call them the smart money. Now when the smart money are involved in the market, so those are like basically the two things that I use the volume indicator for. It tells me when the big boys, the big money, the smart money are entering into the market, or tells me that they've done something. It's like a mark. It leaves a mark, a trace of what they are doing or what they've done. So, and then it actually also tells me a decrease in I don't know how to call it, market activity, like things they happen, like nothing is actually happening. The market is actually moving in a certain direction, but there's no real push. Like there is no force behind it. It's just moving like in space, like it would move in space. Yeah, that's what's happening. So like this retracement that we can see here, yes, if you notice, there is a decrease in volume right here. So you see that's telling me that this up move here, this bullish move, the volume indicator is telling me that oh boy, there is actually no buying pressure there. There's no real, it's not real, it's not strong, it's not something you want to get into. So now when the trend, let's say it's up, I want to see my volume bars going up as well. So that's the only time I know that yes, this up move or bull move is genuine. So now basically this is it here. Now you can see that market is about to get to a support level or a resistance. Yes, the one colored orange. Yes, market is moving towards that resistance. This one here. Market is moving towards that resistance. So I'm waiting to see what would happen when market gets here. Now what I expect when market gets to this point. Now why am I even looking at this one? Why is that point so important? Look left, structure, leaves close. So I expect a resistance at this level. Here you see market at this point here, market supported twice before breaking with a significant candle. So that place tells me that zone there now tells me a lot about the market at that point in time. And then the price is approaching that level again. It tells me that guy, you got to watch it though. Something serious will happen there. So now I'm not saying that for a fact market will come down, but market might end up continue going up, even up to this top resistance that is there too. So, but when market gets to this point, eventually, I'm expecting that's when I now bring in. That's when I now wait for a price action to see what price action would form on that level. So I expect to see something like a very strong engulfing candle there. So now when eventually this touches or even gets a little above this, like at this point where the lines 109 188, so at least at that level, when price gets there, I expect to see an engulfing candle pattern, engulfing at least this one here. When that happens, I also want to see a strong volume accompanying that long candle, that long engulfing candle. Once that happens, that gives me my sell signal. So now this whole setup now that I've just explained is not, now I forgot to mention we're on a daily. So this whole setup that I'm waiting for, sorry guys, we're back. I had to go for a little break there. Okay, so this setup might take 3, 4 or even 5 days before it will fully materialize. So at least by Monday, I'm looking, by Monday this whole setup should have fully materialized. So we'll be taking that trade to the sell side. I personally will be, if everything sets up nicely. So that's what I'm anticipating. That's my market analysis for this week into next week. So bye bye guys.